In the last video, I showed you how to live stream using OBS Studio. In this video, we're going to step it up a notch. I'm going to show you how to stream to multiple platforms using a multi-streaming service called Restream.io. It's simple to use, free, and it won't bog down your computer trying to send streams to multiple places at once. It sends one stream out and then Restream does the rest. Setting up Restream.io to do the multi-stream is very simple. We're going to use a couple things, OBS. We're going to use Restream.io in order to do the actual multi-streaming. That way we're only sending one stream out to the internet, and then that is what splits it up. All right, so in order to get everything set up to multi-stream using a streaming service like Restream.io, you need OBS that allow us to send one stream out to Restream, which then splits it up and sends it to whatever platforms you choose. So we want to create a Restream.io account as well. You get 2 streams that you could do under the free account. There are some limitations. We'll go ahead and look at that in a second. So go ahead and go to Restream.io and choose the create an account and set one up. And then once you are in Restream, it'll take you to your home. Go ahead and we're going to want to do a new stream, so hit the plus sign here. We are in Restream. Go ahead and click on the new stream button to get started. Make sure you choose the encoder RTMP setting here. This is what we will use to stream from OBS. And once this gets loaded, it will give us our streaming key, which we will then input into OBS. So go ahead and copy the stream key here. Back in OBS, we are going to go to settings, go to stream, select Restream.io, and then I always just hit the use stream key here and paste it, then hit OK. All right, so OBS is set up for the stream. Let's go ahead and head back over to Restream, and we're going to want to add a channel or 2. I'm going to go ahead and choose Facebook for this one. And you can upgrade to be able to send it to groups or to pages as well. The free one lets you do it to your profile. And it will pop up a thing, and I want you to sign into Facebook. Go ahead and do that. All right, our channel has been added. As you can see, it is not grayed out or anything. Go ahead and I'm going to turn this off for just a sec. Up here, we can name the stream if we'd like to. If we go back to OBS now and click start streaming, it will connect to Restream.io, and as you can see, it is starting to do something. And there we have our stream. And then all we got to do to send it to Facebook or our other platforms, just click this little slider here. After a few seconds, you'll see it's sending data and it's connected. I'm going to go ahead and shut that off right now. This will have sent the video to whatever platforms you had set up in Restream, and couldn't be any simpler. And if you're looking for a way to multi-stream without signing up for a service like Restream, my next video will have a way to do it with a plugin inside OBS. So stay tuned for that one. That's it. See you next time.